कुमार जी,
हाँ
गुड
पूछो।
इवनिंग।
गुड इवनिंग।
मेरा ना दो डील्स चालू है। पहले मैं एक के बारे में बता रहा हूँ। उसमें क्या है, जो सेलर है उसका फ्लैट है।
हम्म
अभी वो बोल रहा है मेरे को 60 lakhs में बेचना है।
हम्म
अभी उसका विजिट भी हो गया है, ऑफर भी आ गया है।
हम्म
ऑफर जो है वो एडवोकेट है बायर, मेरा
हम्म
फ्रेंड ही है, मेरे साथ ही पढ़ा था एलएलबी। तो
हम्म
नाउ वो बोल रहा है मेरे को, यार मेरे पास 50 लाख थे, 5 लाख मेरी बेटी को देने पड़ रहे हैं, वो कॉलेज में एडमिशन ले रही है डेंटल कॉलेज में। तो मेरे पास 45 है, 5 lakhs आई कैन अफोर्ड लोन लाइक।
हम्म हम्म।
ओके, तो वो 50 lakhs तक आया है सिर्फ। और सेलर जो है 60 से बोल रहा है मेरे को 60 में सेल करना है। तो व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम, हाउ कैन आई सॉल्व दिस
Fantastic. It's a very बहुत interesting case.
प्रॉब्लम?
So I think there are various ways to tackle it. Let me tell you. 10 लाख का डिफरेंस है, राइट? 60 लाख मांग
हाँ।
रहा है, 50 लाख देने को तैयार है। ओके। सो ये
हम्म।
बताइए कि ये सेलर के प्रॉपर्टी कितने दिन से नहीं गई है, उसके पास कितने ऑप्शंस हैं? और ये बताइए कि इसका मार्केट रेट क्या है? हाउ व्हेन इफ यू हैव टू असेस द मार्केट रेट, व्हाट इज द ट्रू मार्केट रेट फॉर दैट प्रॉपर्टी, एंड हाउ फॉर सिंस हाउ वो कब से बेचने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं? ये दो चीज पहले बताइए।
देखिए उसका मार्केट रेट यही है जो वो बोल रहा है, 60 lakhs।
ओके
द प्रॉपर्टी डिजर्व 60 lakhs एक्चुअली।
ओके।
या एंड रिगार्डिंग सेलिंग ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी, बिकॉज बीच में तो कोविड ही चल रहा था, तो उसमें तो कुछ काम हो ही नहीं रहा था। हाँ, समझो 1 साल से सेल पे है वो।
So 1 year it has been the sale, right? Now you tell me
या
one other thing. How urgent is it for your seller to sell that property? Because he has
सेलर इज अ
been
बिग, ही इज अ बिग मैन, बहुत बड़ा आदमी है। ही इज करोड़पति है, उसके लिए कोई 5 लाख बड़ी बात नहीं है। इट
exactly.
डजंट मैटर 60 lakhs। या
So exactly that is why I asked, because if the property is for sale for 1 year and if someone hasn't sold it, it tells me two things. Either the property, I think he is not really at all bothered about whether he's going to sell it in next 10 days or 15 days or not, isn't it? So I think
या
what has he given? So in your conversation with the seller, what is the bottom price he has given it to
bottom price, I am telling you, it is 60 lakhs.
you?
So maybe even he may decrease it by 1 to 1.5 lakh more,
Mhm.
if I will assist, if I will force him, like
Okay, that
one
is
to two
fine.
lakh
Right.
maybe. Yeah.
So that is fine. So I think the price is right. 60 lakh, 58 lakh, 59 lakh. That is the right price, and also seller is not going to sell it in a distress because he doesn't need. He's not in the money crunch, isn't it? So I think
Because the flat is fully furnished, air conditioned, with
right.
furniture and all everything.
Okay. So I
3
think first of
BHK flat.
the reason why I was asking this, first of all, when you are selling anything or any salesperson, you have to first be very confident about what you're selling, and you need to be first convinced about what is it for, and you so that you can sell it. So that means even if you have to sell it to your father or your sister or your brother, you will sell it at 59 lakh or 60 lakh, right? Now the question
Yeah.
comes on your buyer side. That's why I first wanted to confirm that. Now the
Yeah.
buyer side, buyer side. Now what is the situation with the buyer side? So is this how how in so how long has the buyer been looking for this property to, I think, purchase? Your friend, lawyer friend,
Yeah. Yeah.
how long has he been looking for the property to buy?
Uh, just you can say uh, a month before he came into contact with me
Mm-hmm.
for this type of purchase. And actually, he's looking for 2 BHK,
Mm-hmm.
but their 2 BHK rate is that much only. You can say 50 to 60 lakhs.
Mm-hmm.
But the better flat I shown him, he liked the flat. He shown to the family also. they were also convinced and all. I don't think he doesn't have a money problem, but definitely he clearly told me that I had 50 lakhs, but 5 lakhs I have gone to the my child's education. I have 45 and I will opt for 5 lakhs loan. And he said the property value is that much only.
That is okay. I'll come to that. These he can be
Hmm.
cracked. He can be cracked, but answer with few other things. So, what is his time scales? उनका टाइम स्केल क्या है, कब तक उनको एक प्रॉपर्टी खरीदना है, एंड what is the purpose of purchasing this property? Is this for end use or is it for investment? What is it? उनको क्यों खरीदना है?
No, no, purpose is end use.
So he's upgrading himself. So is this property an upgrade to him, or is this why is okay? Why is he choosing this property? Let me ask this question.
This is upgrade to him.
Okay, so I think this is an upgrade to him, right? And
Yeah.
like this, how many and you anyway have a good rapport because he's your friend, he studied with you, and so how many similar options he has got? How many properties he has got? Other properties which he has seen.
Other properties I shown him, he doesn't like that.
Okay,
Yeah.
so Shyamji, I think you are in a very strong position in this case. Whether you realize it or not, you have
Yeah.
a negotiation power in this case. Let me tell you. The
Yeah.
reason why I was asking these questions to really ascertain your position in the negotiation. So what happens? There are two very important things when you are going to close any deal. Number one is to understand the interest of the buyer, and number two is to find out the position. Now, the interest of the buyer is that the buyer is looking for an upgrade, right? And the upgrade, either he could be looking for the whole 12 months, or he could purchase anytime when he gets the right property, right? That is what at the right price, because he already has
Yeah.
a place to live. ऐसे उनकी भी हड़बड़ी
Yeah.
नहीं है, isn't it? It's not that
नहीं, नहीं,
he
नहीं.
उनकी कोई हड़बड़ी नहीं है, right? But he has
Yeah.
to upgrade himself, and he's looking at the right property from the right person at the right time. That is his
He was
position.
giving me 10 lakhs today. He was giving me check of 10
So I
lakhs.
think, so I think let me come to that. So I think your position, why I'm saying, is very strong, because not only when you are, and you know this very well because you're in the real estate for many years, when you're purchasing a property, the person through which you're purchasing the property is very, very important. So he has got in
Yeah.
this particular thing you. So you
Yeah.
can
Yeah.
be now. I think what you could do. आपके आपके मित्र का नाम क्या? What is his name? Uh,
Vijay Premchandani.
Vijay. So you can just tell Vijay, look, I think I've known you for many years, and I have known this seller for many years as well, right? And this seller, I have whatever I can do, whatever the best I have given it to you. There is nothing more to, there is nothing else to give it. There is उसमें एक पैसा नहीं बचा हुआ है, and the reason why I'm saying this, because this seller has got 3 more options. And since I was the one who had a very good rapport, he has given me the number 1 priority. अगर तू घर देख रहा है खरीदने को राइट टाइम, और तूने घर सारे एरिया में देख लिया है, अभी अब right now the stamp duty advantage you're going to get, you don't know how long will this advantage remain. If you are going to, if he, and how is he going to pay? Is he going to take loan, or is he going to take what?
Just 5 lakhs loan he wants.
ओके,
5 to
सो ज्यादा लोन है भी नहीं उसका कि आपको लोन का एडवांटेज दिखा पाओ. But a simple thing you could say, that either you could really be very, very clear to him. You could tell him either you keep on looking for next 12 months, and you can show him that look at the property price, and property price in Mumbai, those areas are going up. Let me tell you, because the properties are, and it is going to go different. So either you wait for the same property, the property which you have loved, for another 5-6 months, and the waiting will not reduce your price. प्राइस इससे घटने वाला नहीं है, प्राइस बढ़ने ही वाला है, और कोई गारंटी नहीं है कि मैं उसको बेच रहा हूँ, किसी और से तुम्हें खरीदना होगा. You will have to purchase from someone, and there will be lots of other hassle. So looking at the situation where you are, looking at this even stamp duty benefit, what you could give, what you could get, looking at where the seller is right now, because he has already got 2 more options. So because from the next week this is only available till say 28th. After that it is not, because he's already given me ultimatum. So either तू खरीद इसको, नहीं तो मैं तुमको दिखाऊंगा कोई और, लेकिन I am not sure whether you will be able to buy. So this is only available.
I told him that one buyer is already in negotiation with the seller.
Right.
Deal is going on. Okay, and this is the price. I just stress the seller and get to this price only, 60 lakhs. I had made the seller to the 60 lakhs offer, like, and this I told him. Okay, he was I am giving you 10 lakhs and get me at 48 to 50 lakhs.
राइट नो, वो क्या कर रहे हैं ना अभी, वो कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि आप उनके दोस्त हैं तो कहीं आप उनको साफ जो मैंने ये स्टेटमेंट बोला ना, आप उसको, मैं आपकी सिचुएशन समझ गया हूँ, आप उनको वैसे ही बोलिए कि यू आर वेरी गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, so can you not trust that I have not given the best? This is the best. There's nothing left. There's nothing left. Even if I have to sell this to my son, I will sell it at this price only, and this is only available till 28. And you will mind, my friend, if you are looking for upgrade, because he's looking for upgrade. Be very clear. You are looking, Vijay, you're looking for an upgrade from wherever you are. This is the bare minimum you will have to pay. Now the decision is yours, whether you want to go this chance begging or you want to capitalize. अगर वो नहीं लेता है तो नहीं लेता है, कोई बात नहीं. But just conclude it like this.
Shall I keep a meeting of buyer and seller, like?
आप वो भी करवा सकते हो. आप उसको बोलो कि आप उसको ऐसे बोलो कि this is I have somehow managed to convince the seller to come for this meeting and let us close this deal. उसको बोल दो, उनको बोलिए कि this let us have a decision and let us, because he already has another buyer, but he has asked me because I'm very close to him and this is the final chance. You will lose the opportunity because this is you after looking. इसको ये सब बताइए. देखिए कभी-कभी people assume things. Be very, very clear. Be very, very clear that look, this is a property, not the first property. I have shown you 4 other properties, right? This is a property which fits your criteria. This is the upgrade you're looking at. So if I look at the parameter, this fits into the type of property, this fits into the area of the property, and this fits in the right time scale. And I am selling it because there is no guarantee that the next time when you're going to purchase, someone else will be there. And what will happen, you will not know. Be very clear. Tell these things to him. अगर वो कभी-कभी दोस्त, just write down these things and just tell, I am selling it. There's no guarantee that next time I will be showing you, and there's a guarantee that right now 60 lakh property you will purchase in 65 lakh property after 8 months because the situation is different. There is a guarantee that you will have to pay extra money for stamp. So आप जो अभी 8 लाख बचाने के चक्कर में हो, इसके चलते in this, for the amount of this 8 lakh, you're going to lose such a good deal. You're going to lose me as someone who is selling and who will be helping you. You're going to lose this time because this 8 months you could have anyway utilize it. Just say these things and say, I have got nothing else left. I have convinced the buyer, convinced the seller, he's coming. Let's clear it out and let us move towards the next. Let us move towards a sales agreement and everything. Be very, very clear. When are we closing this? When are we closing this? When are we closing this? Just close it. Right now you're in the closing situation. Okay.
Yeah.
Just close it.
Okay.
You will get the deal done. Right?
I will try that.
Don't worry. अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए होगा आप मुझे मैसेज कर देना या किसी को.
नहीं, मेरा इसमें ही अटकता है ऑफर और.
So what I am getting a feeling, I could be wrong, Shyam, because I have not known you for long, but I think the closing is something where you have to, this position and interest, you're the right position. You are a very upper hand in this negotiation. You just be upfront and give this thing what I just said. You have to stamp the authority of yourself because you are the part of the offer. Your friend, this is the best property out of 4 properties which he has seen. So all he has an advantage of the stamp duty, and he will have a loss if he's going to buy the same thing in next 8 months. Okay?
Hi sir.
हाँ बंटी जी बोलिए, कैसे हैं?
Sir, can I talk something about this deal?
Yes, बोलिए ना. Yes.
सर हम काफी बार ऐसे करते हैं कि सेल बायर को बोलते हैं कि वो तो प्रॉपर्टी बिक गई,
Right,
सोल्ड आउट.
right.
नेक्स्ट डे ही कम्स विद अ टोकन, सर कितना टोकन दिया है, प्लीज इसको वापस कर दीजिए, मेरी डील करवा दीजिए. सर काफी बार ऐसा हमने किया है.
और ये वर्क भी करता है, मैं बता रहा
हाँ,
हूँ.
यस सर, इट इज डेफिनेटली इट
I
इज
know
वर्किंग.
that. I know that absolutely. So now,
आप
Shyam,
ये भी ट्राई कर
या
सकते हैं
या
सर.
you have got 2 techniques now. Try कीजिए.
बट सर इसके लिए क्लोजिंग एकदम पावरफुल होना चाहिए. कभी
Right.
कई बार डील छूट भी जाती है सर.
राइट राइट. आई थिंक बंटी जी इस केस में ना, श्याम जी का केस जो आपने सुना होगा, मुझे लगता है
हाँ.
इनकी सिचुएशन बहुत अच्छी है, इनकी पोजीशन बहुत अच्छी है इस
यस
डील,
यस सर.
because his friend Mr. Vijay, I think it's not that it is his first property which he see, and he has already seen 4 other properties. This is the best upgrade he could have, and he has Mr. Shyam himself who he knows who is selling this, so he will not find someone else in the future, right? What is the guarantee? So
Yes,
I think you have to create this doubt. Sometime when अगर आप doubt create करते हो ना किसी के mind में, confuse कर दीजिए कभी उसको. He will have this doubt, and just close it, Shyam. It will get closed.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I will
Thank you for
try.
Thank you,
giving me
Pandit ji.
opportunity.